Hi, fellow traders. Welcome to an edition of Rolling with Ed. You're not chilling with me today. You're rolling with me. And, the last couple of days, I've talked to a lot of traders that, for the first time, I haven't talked to before. And it seems like the sentiment has really been the same. It's always been, why haven't I been able to be successful? I gave it everything I had this year. I put in the time, I put in the effort, and why am I not where I want to be? And then I asked them, why do you think that? And some of the main answers were, number one, the market. Like the market's crazy or whatever. But in reality, it's not the market. There's a lot of money being made out there by traders like you and me. And so it's not the market. It's not, they think it's this strategy. They're not trading the right strategies or whatever. It's probably not your strategy because you spent time and put effort into your strategy. I'm pretty sure you learned, you know it when to get in, when to get out, and all of that. So it's probably not the strategy. It's not the tools that you have or that you don't have. Because I'm sure you spent time learning them and learning how to use them. You probably just don't trust them. Okay, but I'm here to tell you what you probably didn't do in 2023 is invest enough time in yourself. Okay, you didn't put enough you into yourself. You invested time in everything else. Learning this strategy, learning that strategy, learning how to use these tools, buying these tools, trying this out, trying that out. Probably tried a different communities. But you didn't put enough time in you. So that's what we need. That's what I'm working on with everybody this year. And I try to do it every year. But for you guys that aren't a member, you're not a part of the AJT community, this is what I focus on. I want you guys to understand that what's probably keeping you from being successful is you and your ability to not execute in this probabilistic environment. Okay, you've got to have the confidence. You got to be able to deal with the fear, the uncertainty. A lot of the stuff that we think we can deal with, we think that we're ready to deal with, but we're not. Honestly, we're just not. And so that's what the focus is. I've got the program, the $1 Million Mindset program that I'm doing next year. We're starting right now with the trader mindset, because you've got to hit 2024 running and you've got to be in the right mindset. Okay, so you can't don't sleep on this. I know some of you probably don't believe that it's a mental game, okay, but it is. Eventually you're gonna figure it out. You're gonna know that, hey, I know this stuff, I know it like the back of my hand. Why isn't it working? It's all because we haven't trained our mind. We haven't worked enough on us so that we can be the trader that we need to be. So if you want to make a change in 2024, come join me. I'm the only person that runs my community. So it's small, it's focused, and I'm not gonna take but so many people, because I do one-on-one mentoring with you guys. That's free. You don't have to pay for it, because as a teacher, as a professional educator, because that's the field I came from, I know mentoring and having that support could mean the difference between success and failure. I know that for a fact. Okay, so guys, if you're not in the community, come check me out. You know, I'm ready, willing, and able to help you be the best trader that you can be. So you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy your holiday, and I will talk to you soon. Hopefully, I will see you in the jungle. Peace.